Yes, students. Now I'm going to create one another program that is whether given number is even or odd. So how you can check whether a number is even or odd. So now let's see with program. So this program also you can create in script mode. So how you can go to script mode? Simple. Select the file menu, and here you select the new file option. So into the new file option, I am creating a program. The program is, this is the command line. Clear? With hash you can create the command line. uh, this is your choice. You write it or not. If you want to write it, so this is for the guideline purpose. It that code will be not execute in your program. So this is the command line and single line command. How you can create? Simple. Use the hash. So hash, and I'm going to create which program? My program is the program is write a code to find uh, whether a given number is even or odd. So this is the program. I want to check whether a given number is even or odd. So simple. My input will be that what I will input some number like this number I will input, and program will be execute. It is even, or if it is not even, so what it will execute? It is odd. Clear? So this message should be executed. So first of all, how I will check that number is even or odd? So I think you all know that if a number is divisible by 2, means if you input any number and that number is divisible by the 2, so that number will be even. If any number that is not divisible by 2, so it is simple odd number. So that program and that concept I will create with help of the program. So first you have to take the input from the user side. So for this I will take the input from the user. So for that purpose you have to create a variable. So I want to input what? Num means number. Clear? That is a variable name. And how you can take the input from the user? So I want to take the input from the user side, that should be integer. So you have to take the data type int, and for the message to user you have to use the input. Clear? So user will get the message, enter a number. So this message will be executed. Okay, I close both bracket. And when the number has been input, so how you can check that it is even or odd? So you place the if statement. If num modulus 2. Clear? Modulus 2, why I using this expression? So actually modulus is used to return the remainder, means the number will be divide by 2, but it answer in remainder if the remainder is equivalent to 0. Clear? If the remainder is equivalent to 0, so what you want to execute? So I want to execute what? If any number is divisible by 2, So definitely its remainder is 0. Clear? And 0 is equivalent to 0. So the number is even. Clear? So that message I want to execute to even number. This message will be executed. Okay? And if that statement become false, for example, the number is not equivalent to 0, so what you want to execute? So I can execute the statement with help of the else. So simple, I want execute odd number, the number simple odd. Yeah, so this message should be executed. So when our statement means the expression become true, so that statement should be executed. And if the expressions that condition become false, so our else statement will be executed. So this is the program. Clear? So check to whether a number is even or odd. So I think you all understood this expression, how it is work. Simple, the number, any number which is input that stored into the num variable, and then that value will be divided with 2, and because of the remainder it's return the remainder, and remainder will be compared with the 0. If the remainder is equivalent to 0, so number become even, otherwise it will execute odd number. Now how you can execute? Simple, select the run option and into the run module, and directly you can also press the F5 function key. I save this program. Any name you can put here, so any name you can get, even or odd, even odd. The program is even odd program. Okay, so I, that's why I give that name, even odd program. Okay, save. Okay, so my program executed, and it's what message is given us? It's asking enter a number. So this message has been executed. So I will input any number. So I input 16 and okay, yes, so my output is even number. Yes, 16 is a even number. Once again, if you want to execute that program, so simple, go to the window menu, and here you select your program, and once again you can also directly press the function key F5 and your program will be executed. And here now I am input the number 17. Okay, so and then enter, so you will get odd number. So this is the way of executing your program, and in both condition my program executing number is even or odd. So when you input the even number, so it will execute the even number, and when you will input any odd number, so it will execute it is odd. In both condition it will executing the output. Clear? And you try to execute that program again and again. So once again I am executing this program with a different value. So like any 3, I input the 3 and you get odd number. So many times you can execute that program and check your output.